But a lot of people say you can't use solder suckers effectively to remove solder, that they're really for toys and hobbyists. Well, that's as maybe, but they do work. We're just going to put a little bit of solder on here. We're going to be removing this pot. So we put a little bit of solder on, keep the joint, put the solder sucker right over and press. Now, it's important each time that you clear the nozzle. A little bit of solder. And so when you do this, you need to make sure that the nozzle of the solder sucker is right over the joint, otherwise it won't remove it properly. This is a single-sided board, which makes things considerably easier when you're doing this, but nonetheless, just as a demonstration that it is possible. A little bit more on that one. And charging onto the gun. Very clear at the front. I'm being a little more stubborn. Let's put a little bit more on there. And it's pretty much clear. A little bit more solder on there. There we go. Nice and clean and pretty easy. This is with admittedly a reasonable quality solder sucker purchased from RS Components.